Hello students, today we are taking a new topic, that is acceleration. Now acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. When the body is not moving with uniform velocity, it changes its velocity. So at what rate it is changing, that is defined by the acceleration. Now acceleration is change in velocity upon time taken. Now if an object is moving with initial velocity u and after time t it is accelerated and the final velocity becomes v, so the change in velocity will become v minus u, and upon time taken, that is t. So the formula of acceleration is v minus u upon t. It is a vector quantity and the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Let us take one example, a numerical based on acceleration. A bus increases its speeds from 36 km per hour to 90 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. Now, in the initial velocity of the bus is 36 km per hour. U is meaning is initial velocity, that is 36 km per hour. We will convert in meter per second because the time is given in second. So to convert kilometer per hour, we will multiply it by 5 by 18 meter per second. So 18 2 is 36, 2 5 is 10 meter per second. And it increases speed to 90 km per hour. So final velocity is 90 km per hour. That also will convert in meter per second. 90 into 5 upon 18. 18, this is 5. 18 5 is 90. So 5 5 is 25 meter per second. And time is given, and that is 5 seconds. And we have to find the acceleration. We know the formula of acceleration, that is a is equals to v minus u upon t. So a is equals to v is 25 meter per second, u is 10 meter per second, and time is 5 seconds. So a is equals to 25 minus 10, that is 15 upon 5, and that is equals to 3 meter per second square. So the acceleration of the bus is 3 meter per second square. Now let us take one more example, but in this time the bus decreases speed from 72 km per hour to 18 km per hour. Now you can see the speed is decreasing here in this question. In 5 seconds, find the acceleration of the bus. Now the initial velocity of the bus is 72 km per hour. 72 km per hour. We'll convert in meter per second. So 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is 18 4 ja 4 5 ja 20 meter per second. And the final velocity is 18 km per hour. 18 km per hour, again we'll convert in meter per second. 18 into 5 by 18, this will cancel, and here it is 5 meter per second. So initial velocity is 20 meter per second, final velocity is 5 meter per second. Let us calculate a is equals to v minus u upon t. So a is equals to v is 5 minus 20 upon time is 5. So a is equals to minus 15 upon 5, and that is equals to minus 3 meter per second square. Here you can see the acceleration is negative. The acceleration is negative because the speed is the velocity is decreasing. So whenever there is a decrease in velocity, so acceleration will be negative, and that is minus 3 meter per second square.